Are you using apple cider vinegar? Avoid its negative side effects with these simple steps. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, brings a lot of health benefits, including improved digestion, regulation of blood sugar and cholesterol, and increased metabolism and fat burning. But even though the use of ACV is completely safe, when done incorrectly, it can bring possible harmful reactions to the body. So before you start using ACV in any way, it's important to take note of these important reminders. First, always mix it with water. Never drink or use apple cider vinegar in any way without diluting it with water first. ACV contains acids, and although its acidity is responsible for many of its health benefits, it can cause harmful reactions in the body when taken in pure form. Drinking apple cider vinegar directly and without adding water may damage the teeth, leading to discoloration and sensitivity. It can also burn the tongue, throat, and skin, so you should be careful when using it as a skin treatment as well. It is recommended to start with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in 8 to 10 ounces of water. Then you can gradually increase the amount until you find the best proportion that won't harm your body. The next thing that we're going to talk about is the possible digestive issues. People suffering from a digestive disease called gastroesophageal reflux, or popularly known as acid reflux, may safely drink apple cider vinegar since it helps prevent stomach acids from flowing back into the esophagus, which is the main indication of the disease. Just be sure to follow what we've talked about. Drink it mixed with water and never on its own. Start with a tablespoon added to a glass of water, and you can increase your consumption until you find the perfect mixture that your body needs. Furthermore, those who are suffering from gastroparesis should be careful of consuming ACV. Gastroparesis is a digestive disorder characterized by an abnormally slow rate of food passing through the stomach. Since consuming ACV slows down the emptying of the stomach, it can worsen this condition. In this case, one should consult with their doctor first before drinking apple cider vinegar. Before we move on with the video, if you're finding it helpful so far, give us a like, subscribe to our channel to see more informative health videos, and click on the bell icon so you'll catch our future uploads. Another group of people who should be careful with their ACV intake is those who are taking medications that lower blood pressure. If you're suffering from high blood pressure and are taking medicines that help lower it, you should limit your apple cider intake since it can cause your potassium levels to drop too low. When the body's potassium levels are too low, it can lead to constipation, abnormal heartbeat, weakness, muscle cramps, and in severe cases, paralysis. Before consuming apple cider vinegar, consult with your physician first to be safe. And just like people with high blood pressure, diabetes patients who are under medication should also be cautious of using ACV. According to a study published by the Journal of the American Association of Diabetes, apple cider vinegar helps in lowering blood sugar levels when drunk after a meal. Even though it can help prevent and treat the effects of diabetes, it's important to know that if you're a diabetic who's under diabetes medications, consuming apple cider vinegar can lower your blood sugar too much. And low sugar levels cause hypoglycemia, a condition characterized by irregular heartbeat, weakness, numbness, and in severe cases, seizures and loss of consciousness. So regulate your ACV consumption, monitor your blood sugar, and consult with your doctor to avoid these possible side effects. Just like any other healing treatment, one should proceed with caution, especially if you have any health conditions. Keep in mind these reminders so you can use apple cider vinegar safely and effectively. Because of its several nutritious and healing properties, it isn't surprising that apple cider vinegar has long been used not only as an ingredient for cooking, but in traditional medicine as well. Aside from ACV, Numerous foods and plants that you're already using every day have natural medicinal properties. To discover them, check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants that would replace every drug in your cabinet. It includes recipes of teas, salves, infusions, essential oils, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has a high-definition color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. To know more about the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, click on the link in the video's description below. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed watching and learned something new today. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned because we'll be sharing more health videos with you very soon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.